Namaste and welcome to Sujith Talks. My name is Sujith Billa, registered migration agent here in Melbourne. This video is about the partner visa finalizations. Partner migrant subclass 100, prospective marriage subclass 300, which is 300, partner provisional subclass 309, partner resident subclass 801, partner temporary subclass 820 visa. Finalizations in financial year 2018-19, which usually starts on July 1st, 2018 and ends on 30th of June 2019. So the numbers we have are of grants, refusals, withdrawals, and total finalizations. So grants, refusals, you might also know about withdrawals. So for example, a relationship breaks down, the sponsor could withdraw, the applicant could withdraw the application, or for any other reason. Another thing you have to be mindful here, some people do 300 visa, which is to be applied outside Australia, prospective marriage, and then before getting the grant they actually get married, and then what happens is they kind of ask the case officer to consider them for 309 visa instead. So that transition also happens. Let's look at the numbers for 100. Grants are 26,705. Refusals are 2,867. Withdrawals are 795. The total finalizations for subclass 100 in the financial year 2018-19 were 30,367. That's subclass 100 partner migrant, the permanent residence partner visa. Now moving on to prospective marriage subclass 300 visa. Grants were 2,587. Refusals were 638. Withdrawals were 577. And total finalizations were 3,802. Significantly less numbers than 100 because this is prospective marriage. Moving on, partner provisional subclass 309 visa, which is a temporary partner visa. Grants were 15,991. Refusals were 1,934. Withdrawals 465. And total finalizations 18,319. Partner residence subclass 801 visa. Grants 26,312. Refusals 2,751. Withdrawals 1,520. And total finalizations 30,583. Again, partner temporary subclass 820 visa. Grants 26,475. Refusals 2,116. Withdrawals 834. And total finalizations 29,425. So if you compare partner temporary onshore versus partner provisional offshore, which is again temporary versus temporary, onshore versus offshore, you can see 820 grants were significantly higher than 309 grants. In fact, close to 11,000 more. And if you see refusals, refusals are quite close. So even though the grants were less, the refusals were quite close, offshore versus onshore. Then you got withdrawals. Withdrawals are 465 offshore, onshore it is 834. Total finalizations, obviously 18,390 for offshore, 29,425 for onshore, so more than 11,000 finalizations onshore than offshore. Permanent residence onshore versus offshore, you will see that the numbers are pretty close. Total finalizations 30,583 onshore, 30,367 offshore, so it's negligible. Then grants as well, pretty close. Onshore 26,312, offshore 26,705. So just a difference of 400. And refusals, again, quite close. Refusals 2,867 offshore, onshore 2,751. So just a difference of 100, 100 more refusals offshore. Then you got withdrawals. Withdrawals are 2 times. Offshore 795, onshore it is 1,520. So almost 2 times more onshore. So these numbers give us some insight into what's going on, and you have to consider the processing times of the partner visa, onshore, offshore, and prospective marriage visas, which keep changing. So it's important to save this application because you have invested a lot of money and time. So better do it properly and take services of a registered migration agent. If you're after immigration advice for partner visas, go to my website SujithTalks.com and schedule a phone or a face-to-face or a video consultation session, depending on where you are. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to Sujith Talks on YouTube, do it right now and click on the bell icon to get notified. Stay tuned for more. Till then, it's goodbye. My name is Sujith Billa, registered migration agent here in Melbourne. Namaste.